Greetings Gutters. We're going to do a little short one today. Well, we're going to make some caramelised white chocolate. Now I've taken this idea from a recipe by Ed Kimber, Boy Who Bakes, okay, which requires caramelised white chocolate. So what I've got is a rimmed baking tray, because we're going to be melting this, and I've got 300 grams in there. I've got my oven up at 125 and Celsius, and then I'm going to put that in there for 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes we're going to bring it out and give it a good stir. Okay, it's important that we regularly stir this at least every 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and it may take an hour and a half apparently till we get the right degree of caramelisation. So that's 15 minutes, and what we want to do is give it a really good stir, making sure you get to all the chocolate. And it might look a bit sort of not quite right, but that doesn't matter. But so long as we make sure we constantly give it this good stirring. You'll see there's some of it, I don't know, perhaps you can't, it's starting to go grainy. So, having made sure it's good stir, it goes back in the oven, another 10 to 15 minutes stir, and we keep doing that till we got the right colour. This actually has only had about 40 minutes, but it's got the kind of colour that I like. Okay, you can see it's a lot browner than it started with. At the moment it looks a bit grainy, but that's just because it needs a good stir. And once I've done that, I'm going to transfer it just into this dish, simply because we want to put it somewhere where we can then refrigerate it to set it, and then it's ready to use however we want. So that's how to caramelise some white chocolate.